This video explains how to calibrate the C2020 and Z2000 tank gauge range. Things you'll need before you begin calibration. You need to know the dimensions of the tank. This will be the inner tank if it is a bundled construction with a double skin. You may find using a setup form from the document download is useful at this time. You need to know the product-specific gravity. On our website, click on Our Products and then choose By Fluid Type. We hope this helps. You need to know what the tank sensor range is. There is a code etched on the sensor, or if this was purchased as a complete kit, the last section of the kit box part number defines the probe range. Check this suits the tank height. Cross-references are shown in the IO manual. The main display front cover should be removed and the calibration switch positioned in CAL. The unit must be powered. Please see the document download section of this product for information and options on this. The display will now switch to show a tank shape and size.